morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to the channel. We're back at it again. Woo, it's been a while, but now we're back because I had to take a little break. There's nothing wrong with taking a break. It's okay. But hey guys, I'm back. We got some new stuff in the shop I want to show you right quick. Guys, we just got something in that I am excited to work on. This is a 1964 Impala. All matching numbers. Even the motor is the matching numbers motor that came out of this car that's in this car. So we're going to get ready to do a full restoration on it, and actually the interior has already been done. Man, this interior is super nice, very clean setup. Even the CD players in the glove box, which I really like, is something out of the way. Can't really see it. I mean, everything, this is all original. I mean, of course the seat color didn't come this color, I don't believe, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I don't know too much about 1964, but I do know this is an iconic vehicle. Two-door with the vert. Can't find that everywhere. Okay, we got the motor and the frame, and I think the first thing we're gonna do to this thing is first, let's clear these spider webs off. Let's get all that removed. And then we're gonna take the frame off, so and then we can actually get down to the motor, and we're gonna break it down and do a really good investigation on this thing, and then make a list of parts that we need to order to get this thing going. So guys, y'all already know the deal. Let's get to work. All right, so now it should be ready to come off. Yeah, it's free. Just a suggestion with the screws that was just taken off, we're gonna put them back in on the frame, so we'll know exactly where they go, because it's probably gonna be a little while before we put this frame back on. So just so we don't lose the, you know, the bolts and where they go. There it goes. That's it. So what I'm gonna actually do is those screws, the frame bolts that I just took out, I'm just gonna stick them back in place so I know exactly where they go when it's time to put the frame back on, so it'll be easier to figure that part out. And this long bolt right here, we're just gonna stick it right back up in here. Or you can put it in a Ziploc bag too, what I normally do as well, so then you know exactly where it goes. But this right here works perfect. And if you notice, I put it on this cart, which is very easy to move around and maneuverable. Then when I'm done, I can just push it into a spot to where I don't need it to, you know, where I want it out the way. So that's that. Now for the wiring, I don't know what's missing. I got to figure all that out, what we have and what we don't have. But I think the easiest thing is just to try to leave most of it on here for right now. What I really want to do is just go over here to the clutch basket casing. I want to get this taken off and see what's going on in there. That'll let me know what my oil and everything looks like, and then we'll go farther and taking the head off. Well, we're probably not gonna go all the way to the head, so we're just gonna go ahead and take this off, and then we're gonna be able to see exactly what the oil looks like, and then I can feel and see, put a magnet in there to see if there's any metal or anything, because that'll be the first thing that'll hurt the motor. So you know that it's pretty much toast at that point. So let's go ahead and let's get these off, and then let's see what we got. This thing looks actually really good in the inside. I don't know if I can get a really good picture of video of it, if you guys can see it, but all the gearing and everything in here, all this stuff looks good. There's no rusting. I was afraid that it's been sitting outside for a while with the you know, the top piece off of the throttle bodies. I was thinking water and stuff had gotten inside, but man, it looks absolutely amazing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw this piece back on because now I'm actually happy with this. So let's get this put back on, and then we'll go ahead. I'm gonna tilt the motor up, and then we'll attack this top area because I want to make sure that that's good. If that's good, the motor spins over, I'm actually happy with that as well. So I think we might have a winner. A winner, sorry. I had the little oil plug out and some of the oil came out. So actually I'm still excited about this because the oil actually don't look bad at all. I don't see any water in it. So again, that is really good. So now we're gonna go ahead and move and let's get this taken off. I already know I gotta go find the computer. I don't know if it has an ECU with it. So if any of you guys got an ECU laying around for an 08 R6, I need an ECU and a rectifier. Just hit me in the comments below. I will pay top dollar for it. I don't say top dollar, but eBay price for it. So let's go ahead and I just want to check and make sure everything's good in here. I definitely need a new throttle body too as well. So if any of you guys got a throttle body, I don't know, what do you guys think? So hit me in the comment below. Do you think I should use these again? I'm not really liking the rust and all of the stuff that's around it. I mean, it probably could be clean, but I think it'd be good just to get a new throttle bodies. I don't know. I'm really tempted just to take it apart and see. I'm sure the electronic part in there is good. So let's go ahead and take the throttle body off and this off, and then we're going to do some ordering of some parts, and hopefully you guys got some for me and I can buy them from you. So let's go ahead and let's get that done.
Perfect.
Body off, and I'm pretty sure, I don't know what you guys think, but I don't know, that's a lot of stuff in that one. And the farther down it gets cleaner and cleaner, and where my hand is really clean. So I might end up doing a throttle body. I don't know. I haven't decided, but guys, hit me in the comment section. What do y'all think? Should I get a new throttle body and just toss this one? But now the only thing that concerns me is I have water here in this one and in this one. So we know that it haven't gotten into the motor, actually where all the oil's at. Still think that we will be okay. Even looking down in here, the channels are good. Hopefully this one's not like super rusted, but other than that, I think we still are in good shape. So I just want to go ahead and take off the top of this cover here and then do some more investigating before we get ready to spin over the motor to spit this water out, and then we'll plug these up and then we'll start ordering parts and stuff that we need. But hopefully some of you guys got some of these parts that I could pay and buy them from. So y'all already know the deal. Let's get to work. So with a deeper look under the valve cover, man, all of this stuff still looks great. The cams look good, no scarring or anything's on the cam. The only thing I do see that I really don't like is this guide. It's kind of ate up. So I'm guessing this goes to the timing chain and all that stuff. So this guide is kind of ate up. That's the only thing I really don't like about this. But other than that, the chain looks really good. Here's the better look of all the water that's inside. I'm not really too concerned about that. The one thing I was concerned about, that everything was messed up inside here, but it's actually really good and it's still oily. So what I am going to do is pretty much put the valve cover back on because I don't want nothing else to get in here. Since I know there's water inside and it's been sitting outside, we're going to take these spark plugs out, and then we're going to put some like some WD-40 or I can't think of the name of it, that it actually eats rust and it actually will free up the motor to be able to spin. It was a little tough to spin, so I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, we got a lot of work to do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so now that I just got everything just sitting up here, just sitting and just barely tightened down, because like I was saying over there on the timing chain, that piece that was actually worn out looked like the guide. I'm thinking I might have to replace it. And also I took out the water that was in here, and the valves are not looking too good. Just, they don't, not rust, well, I guess you would say it's rust, dirty water, rust, whatever. But see, this side still looks amazing. This side still look good. So depending on how this thing spins over really good and freely, I can get those clean with cleaner, with leaving everything on. If not, we're gonna have to take everything off all the way down to the heads and then actually get these clean. So I just want to take the time just to see how this actually going to work out, and then we'll pretty much figure out from there. So guys, in the comment section, let me know, what do y'all think the next process should be? Should I go ahead and take it all the way down to the heads, or should I just go ahead and try to clean it and see if we can get it right? I'm very confident in the motor that it's gonna run right. I think everything looks really good from the motor standpoint, as far as the inside the block and in the valve cover. Everything looked good. The only questionable part is this. So in the comment section, let me know what direction y'all think. Also guys, I also need a rectifier and an ECU for this thing. So if any one of you guys got one laying around, I will pay for it. So just let me know in the comment sections of what you got. This is a 08 R6. Like always, if you haven't joined These Nuts and Bolts family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow your boy on Instagram at These Nuts and Bolts. And guys, like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.